Okay guys, what's up? How are you doing today? So for those of you that are kind of asking how to change the details on the NELFUND portal, or how to change the account number, or how to update any of your details on the portal, so this video will guide you on everything you need to know on how you can go about it. And don't forget, if you need past question or anything, just open your browser or your Google Play Store and search for Studentsdash, and you can open our website, and then tap on this icon here to search for the course code that you need, and you get the past question on that particular course. So open your browser and search NELFUND, and once you are here, you can just tap on the first link, the nef.gov.ng. Once you tap there, you wait for it to open. So once the website opens, you can just take your time and go through the website homepage. In case you have any question, you can ask or read through. So if you are new to the site, you can tap on this apply button so that you can apply for the loan, or tap on login. If you already have an account, just tap on login, and you have to enter your username and password, and you log into your dashboard. So once you're in your dashboard, you just scroll down, you see something like this where they say if you still have question, you should get in touch. Or you can just go down, and then here you see this contact us here, so you can tap there or anywhere. So let's just use this one. So tap on this get in touch. Now if you need the link that will take you directly to this screen without going through those processes, you can send me a message and I will send it to you. So once you are here, notice there are two buttons here. So this raise ticket and then the view ticket button. So what you have to do is tap on this raise ticket, because you want to change your details. Let's say you want to change your name, or you mistakenly typed the wrong account number or something like that. Then here you enter your NIN, you enter your name, your email address, your phone number. Then if what you are doing is about loan, let's say they cancelled your loan application, or you have not received your money, or upkeep issues, then you can choose any of these. But if what you are doing is you want to change any of your details, then you can tap on this general inquiry. So once you are there, you can select the subcategory and choose either of this or this, or anyone that you're okay with. Then here you have to enter the details. This is something like you want to change your account number. So just type the message, which I'll pause the video and do. Now once you are done, if what you are doing, let's say you kind of want to add a supporting document, you want to add your ID card. If you are doing something like change of name, then if you are doing something like a change of account number or anything, you just have to type this. Then once you're done, you can snap if you want to, but it's not, it's optional. So you can just go ahead and then tap on this submit, this send button here. So once you tap on the send button, the message will automatically send to them. Now once you have sent the message, this is the next step. Then when you come back here, you have to tap on this view ticket. Okay, now when you tap on the view ticket, you wait, you will see all the tickets that you have opened. You'll be here if you have any, but because I have not opened any, that's why you're not seeing anyone here. Okay, so if you have any question, you can still chat me up on WhatsApp, or if you need help with doing these stuffs, then still chat me up on WhatsApp.